Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I would like a quick chat to you all about my upcoming Milestone episode 200. I will not be taking any requests for vlog 200 as I've already got something in mind up which will be happening on Friday week, as you may watch Cameron's vlogs about the upcoming Busways 472 meet and greet. Well, I have decided, because it's not every day you see Busways Gosford's Kincumber 472 in the Sydney metro area, especially in state transit territory, and I'm going to declare that as my episode 200, which will be a Busways 472 meet and greet special. As I'll be host as Cameron from Transport for New South Wales Vlogs and Phil from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs are hosting that event. That will be my episode 200, as you don't see Busways 472 in a hut of Sydney CBD or at Milson's Point every day. So that's a very, very special 200th episode of Paul's Train Vlogs coming up. This is just a short video, guys, telling viewers about my Milestone 200th episode of Paul's Train Vlogs, and time now to wrap up the short video. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.